I clicked over to our insights dashboard. So, if I could take 30 seconds and just say, probably one of the best things that Verse offers you is true insights on your leads. You're able to really see when they're coming in, what happens to them, how many of them are engaging with us and talking to us and qualifying. We separate it by source as well. So if you have several sources that you're trying to figure out, which ones are performing better, which ones should you spend more money on, less money, etc. Verse is going to give you those insights. So I know for the Chime lead programs, you guys are doing like a lot of social lead generation. Social leads are converting somewhere in the 20 to 22% range. So especially the Chime leads, which is excellent.
That's a great number.
That means that 1 out of 5, a little more than 1 out of 5 are turning into potential customers. And, Facebook leads are not expensive especially when you compare to the Zillows and the homes.coms of the world.